Hello guys and welcome to our next car wash video. For tonight we have my personal Audi A6. This is a 2-liter TDI engine with only front wheel drive system, no quattro. Now, from outside it might look like an S6, but that's actually just an up badge. And I know up badging is not cool, but the previous owner did it and I like the way it looks, so I'm not gonna bother changing it. But in the end of the video we're gonna have some really satisfying before and after shots, so stick around please. Now guys, the car is nice and prepared. We're gonna do the foam. Alright guys, going from the top down. There's a bug here. Doing straight lines, as some of you pointed out. I used to swirl it. The guy in the comments told me that you should only do straight lines. And he's right. A lot of bugs tonight. This is my new washing glove, guys. It's thicker and it's two-sided. If you want to get it for yourself, I put an Amazon link in the description down below, as well as for all the other products that I used making this video. These are affiliate links, so if you buy anything through them, I get a small commission. That way you help out the channel. So thank you guys so much. Let's do the diffuser. This is my favorite part of a car, the S6 diffuser. So guys, now let's rinse everything. Alright guys, time to dry everything with my microfiber towel. This is the very first microfiber towel that I bought. and so far I'm really pleased with it. So guys, the car is finished, looking clean, looking very white. Let me know what you think of the car wash. Did I do a good job or not? And as promised, I'm gonna show you some before and after shots. Enjoy. So guys, this is it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Also, leave a comment down below for any suggestions for our next videos. Bye for now. Drive safely.